This enormous glass panel must be flawless. Here, we check for any microfractures before installation.
The laser scan confirms the geometry is within the 50-micron tolerance. Cross-referencing the carbon fiber bonding surfaces now.
The lensing effects are well within the aerospace parameters.
Confirmed. The distortion quantification looks flawless.
We are approaching the module assembly zone.
Confirmed. Process A is ready.
Processor workflow officially initiated. All materials segregated.
Confirmed. Structural integrity valid. We are clear to proceed with pre-bonding.
Here we see the Speedtail undergoing chemical actions.
The specialized plasma treatment activates the molecular surface of the glass, dramatically increasing its surface energy for maximum bond strength.
The robotic arm applies a precise torsional load. As the strain gauges measure the deflection, the technician monitors.
Alignment on Sector 3 is confirmed.
Calibration secure. Proceeding with descent.
Is that aligned with the marked position?
Yes, perfectly centered now.
This monsoon chamber test confirms the integrity of the sealant bonds, ensuring zero water ingress even under extreme weather.
Check the rear quarter panel under the polarized light.
Looks perfect. Process B is complete. No defects found.
Cycling the roof dimming now. Check the thermal readout.
Confirmed. Heating elements fully operational.
All data points confirmed. Ready for release.
Chassis number 71 confirmed. McLaren Speedtail, Deep Crimson wrap.
Confirmed. Ready for Bay 3 transport.
Locks engaged on A4 and B7.
Received. All greens, cargo secure.
The aerodynamic design and the seamless glass integration truly set the Speedtail apart.
And the three-seat cockpit is simply stunning.
It's official. Welcome to the McLaren family. Here are the keys to your Speedtail.
Thank you so much. The car is absolutely stunning.
The expansive view highlights the successful structural integrity of the glass installed during Process B. Internal
This emphasizes the long-term functionality of the surface treatments, maintaining optimal driver visibility.
The precise robotic sealing is critical for achieving the vehicle's top speed, ensuring structural integrity.
This confirms the functional success of the optical treatments applied during Process B, ensuring maximum driver safety. The clarity of the head-up display relies entirely on the optical perfection and specific curvature of the glass.
Confirming the ultimate structural and aesthetic perfection of the final assembled vehicle, a testament to hyper-precision craftsmanship and engineering excellence.